Tonight we're putting together hygiene kit packs, and those will go out to the schools, the elementary schools, in their pantry.
So this is a volunteer project from the Iowa Clinic, and we signed up as a group tonight. Our department signed up to give back to our community.
Pantries, one of the most requested items is personal care items, especially school pantries. So because of funding at the food bank, we can't go out and buy these items because our mission is to buy food. We usually look for organizations or groups to be able to provide funding for us, whether it's through grants or sponsorships, so we can do hygiene kits for our pantries.
I love that I work for a company that really cares about our community as a whole, and I think that's really awesome that they do this.
So I think a lot of us got into healthcare because we want to take care of people and we want to help people, and this is just another way that we can help people outside of the community.
I like to volunteer through the clinic because it shows not just that we care about people's healthcare, but we care about the community as a whole.